Katie B back in the bin with yet another reaction video of Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to Polly's or just nations in general. So for today we're going to be reacting to some South Auckland fams. We got Busy E and this track is called Holiday in the SA, which is probably South Auckland. Let's go. Feet Ramsey, not too sure how it's pronounced. But yeah, keen to check it out. Never heard of these guys before. Maybe we've seen their faces and we don't know their names. Excuse my natural hairdo. Yeah, you know, why not? But yeah, before we get into this video, just want to say if you're new to our channel, this is the first ever video you're watching, welcome to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there or click subscribe at the bottom. And please don't forget to click that bell to keep notified on when we upload videos for you guys. But yeah, thank you to those that have requested. Don't forget fams, Polly Movement, Polly Businesses for today we're wearing Stunner. Stunner is based of course in South Auckland. They have a store in Otara and Urahu that you guys can check out. But they also have a website and socials which you guys can sort of connect with them with. Yeah, cool. And also guys, I'm wearing Under the Bridge. So the sis has just opened her company for, she's basically reached the year milestone, so please go check her stuff out. Oh, and also she's got cups as well, so she's got accessories, gift sets.
Forget to drink from your one. I got this especially for her.
Me? Okay. And if you guys can see that, the mountain says to the most poko human ever. And I'd love to give these cups to a lot of people. But yeah, so we just got some beverages. Taste golden.
Yeah. So please fams, check out our Polly Businesses. Stunner from South Auckland, Otara. And of course, Under the Bridge, she's from out Clendon Ways.
Yeah, so you guys can check out her store too. She's even got her logo on the back too. It's bad, man. Yeah, so please check out our Polly Businesses fams and show them some love too. But yeah, let's get to this track. Hopefully I can hear through this luscious humongous here.
Called Bush.
I did brush it, don't worry.
That's why it's a bush. Let's go.
Hey!
Boys, feed, where's my mind?
Where's my mind? It looks like a mannequin ways there.
Yeah. Hey. Oh, poetic. Let's go.
No, the ringtone.
Oh,
Triple.
You alright?
Oh, you outside?
I just pulled up.
Oh, yeah. Be out in the minute.
No, safe. Take your time, but hurry up.
Looks.
Are you off now, Ian?
You off now, Lane?
Okay.
Head to the Barbie.
Take care. Bye.
Love you.
oh, it's the cutest, man.
Triple.
Gameplay from Manukau. Manukau.
Chillin' with my crew, you see. On the vibe, won't you ride with me? Ayy, to the top of my whole thing. Chillin' with my crew, you see. On the vibe, won't you ride with me? Don't stop till you reach the G. Ayy, to the top of my whole thing.
This beat's similar to a poetic song around here. It has that same type of tropical type beat that
Was that one hit?
Yeah, like he sort of sampled is it Flower by Emotions or something? Yeah, sounds badass. It's got that tropical, you know, typical drink up vibe and stuff like that. Damn, feels like a good day. I really like it. I really like it.
I was expecting him to go hard out into that.
Yeah. Especially when video clips start off like that, it seems like it's always gonna be like a
hardcore.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Bring it on, South
My whole
Auckland.
thing. Born and raised in the SA, barbecue in the back with the kids play. Ayy, we all set up and walks the same. If you're down to ride straight boogie to the morning. On the side we hit it grind. Hustle sure the sunshine is to feel the vibe, you know it's all my crew, you see. On the vibe, won't you ride with me? Don't stop till you reach the G. Hey, to the top with my whole team. Chill on my crew, you see. On the vibe, won't you ride with me? Don't stop till you reach the G. Hey, to the top with my whole team. Sipping on a Sunday, it's a fun day. Carrying a good vibe through the Monday.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
The sun rays, my favorite getaway. Every day's a good day when it feels like a holiday. The vibe so high, we're feeling a million miles away. Thank you God for blessing me with a lovely day. Oh yes, I'm blessed to the bone, cause we don't let no bad vibe in our home. But we barbecue and cruising, you know how we do it. We be feeling good to the sound of the music. Kicking with the crew, having a brew or two. And I cannot forget about the delicious food. So come on girl, can't you see? Jump in the car and come vibe with me. It'll be the R to the I, M to the is I. I'll stay high when I ride on the MI. On the vibe, won't you ride with me? Don't stop till you reach the G. Hey, to the top with my whole team. Chill on my crew, you see. On the vibe, won't you ride with me? Don't stop till you reach the G. Hey, to the top with my whole team. Hey, been a while, but we here right now. No time to turn back, ain't here for clout. Hey, this is Summer Jam, I say it now. Bounce to the vibe by women crowd. Hey.
Yeah, I like that. Ain't here for no clout. This is a summer jam.
Just totally different
Yeah,
vibe. This is so beautiful.
The bro singing the
beautiful.
chorus, man, his voice is so different.
Bro.
Like it's not like a sound I've really heard before amongst our polys. It sounds badass. I don't know how to explain
It's
it.
nice. Jeez, I miss those New Zealand barbecues.
You know, they don't come to play, man.
Wadi sauce,
The meat.
proper
Just food in
sausages.
general. Dang.
No, man.
Damn.
LMP.
And I love the house too. I love that it's black. Really
This is
stands
around
out.
the back of Manukau Heights.
Yes, yeah.
Like
it does
Hollyford
look-
Drive.
Yeah, yeah.
Your nose is, I think.
I see that.
Nice.
Damn, I love the beat. It's definitely a vibe for me, man.
If you know her, she loves this kind.
Yeah, I love like
Yeah.
this type of chill type of vibe.
This is Summer Jam, I say it now. Bounce to the vibe by women crowd. Hey, been a while, but we here right now. No time to turn back, ain't here for clout. Hey, this is Summer Jam, I say it now. Bounce to the vibe by women crowd. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey.
They look like twins, sorta.
Brothers.
Where are these guys?
They forgot about them.
Hey,
good,
take a
alright.
picture.
Just around the corner. It's a
Damn.
common New Zealand thing. Just around the corner, cuz.
Still at home in bed. Oh man, so what do you think, Mama B?
I liked it.
Ding, 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 ding.
Totally not what we expected.
Yeah. Like I was thinking it was gonna be some dramatic, you know, sad song. Like,
Because a lot of the stuff coming out of New Zealand is pretty hardcore rap.
Yeah. But also, you know, this type of vibe as well. Yeah.
I
Wow.
love this. This
I
is
love
nice.
this, man. Hard out.
Just takes you back. Takes you back. Reminds you of this.
I was hoping to see more from like familiar places, but it's nice that they included, you know, a lot of their family in there, and the visuals are just sicky, like, you know, it really captured the moment, the family members. It's something that you guys can look back on too, especially in the future. Like, oh man, look how much of a baby you were here. And
You got your nan in there.
yeah,
That was
oh,
nice.
she's
Oh,
the cutest. Man.
It's nice when your grandparents, you know, you still have relationships with your grandparents because you know, life's too short.
Yeah, there's
That's
no
really nice.
bond stronger than, you know,
Yeah.
grandparents and
Yeah, that's the truth.
yeah.
Yeah, you never mind the kids, just love the grandkids.
Yeah. I give it an 8.
I give it a 9.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'll give it a 2 because they had Holdens in there.
Yeah, the Holdens.
No, I'll give it a
Man.
9.
Typical NZ type of cars, eh? Like you said.
Ford and Holden,
Hard out.
Subarus,
Yeah.
the
And then
Subarus.
Subarus.
Mitzi VR4s.
Really nice track,
nice
boys.
guys.
Big up to you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love this vibe. This is what I want to hear more of with our poly people. Even though it's like a typical track.
Yeah,
Yeah.
happy
You
and
know.
cruisy, laid back.
Yeah.
That's what us
100%.
polys are really are.
Yeah.
We're laid back people
Yeah.
until someone hurts one of our own, and then boom. But we're just laid back. Nice vibey song, cruising in the car, going to the beach. Marae
Oh man.
Orere Point. Oh my gosh.
Stop.
I miss that beach.
But yeah, you guys know the go. Please support our brothers. The track is on the YouTube channel White Room Original, so please subscribe to the channel and check out their other music. If they do have other music, we'll be having a look at as well. But yeah, mad love to the boys, mad love to the brothers and all the fams that are in the clip as well.
Yeah.
And also fams, Poly Movement again, please don't forget to support our Poly brands. Poly Movement is what we're all about. Stunner based in New Zealand, check them out. They have a website. We'll have everything in the description box
Under the
below.
bird. Get some of your loved ones some for your boko mugs.
Yeah, because
Or
I know,
some masiofo.
because we know there's a lot of footballers in here amongst our polys. Yeah.
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 Who have hair like this.
Yeah. Typical poly hair. Much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.